In about 1950, the company decided to venture into the military arms field and developed the LF57. This was well designed, fabricated almost entirely of metal pressings, and used an overhung bolt. A small number were made for the Italian Navy in the 1960s, and approximately 200 were ordered by the Army for the Target Acquisition Group of the 3rd Missile Brigade, GRACO, but few others ordered it. The LF57 uses a recessed bolt head similar to the Beretta Model 12 as a method of reducing the weapon's length, although on the LF57 the bolt's mass is carried above the barrel rather than around it. This allows manufacture to be simplified to a degree. Most parts are made of stampings and pressings, and the two sides of the gun are one piece each, joined by a long seam. Dismantling the weapon is very simple, such as the barrel, which is held on by one single barrel nut. The tubular but folds to the right side of the receiver, and the pistol grip is made entirely of steel. The sights are simple fixtures on the top of the barrel, aka dead squirrel.